If a heater has a current of 1.9 amps and a total charge of 20,000 coulombs passes through it, find out how long it was switched on for. So what we normally do is split our page into two, and on this side of the page we write down what we know. So we know that it's got a current of 1.9 amps, so that's capital I for current is 1.9 amps, and the charge is 20,000 coulombs, so the charge is a symbol Q, and so it's 20,000 capital C for coulombs, and we are required to find out how long it was switched on for. That's the time, lowercase t, that gets the question mark. Now we need to look up which equation is most suitable, and hopefully you can recognise that Q equals IT has the QIT in it. We will need to rearrange it to get the T, but we can manage that. So Q equals IT. So our solution will appear over here. So we shall write down exactly what we were given, Q equals IT, but we now need to rearrange it to get T at the front. So what I can do is I can do a triangle, and the triangle method helps me to rearrange the equation. To do that, what I need to do is get these letters into the triangle in the correct order. Now there is only one way we really want to do that. What we do is look at the way that they're arranged here. Here we can see I is beside T, and because I is beside T in the equation that we're given, which we know is correct, that has to be the same here. I must be beside the T. Therefore the Q must be up here. So now if we want to get T at the front, and this is T here, of course, we can see that Q is above the I. And because Q is above the I in the triangle, it has to be above it in the equation. So Q is above I, so Q over I. Now we can go ahead and put the numbers in. So T equals Q, which is 20,000, divided by the current, which is 1.9. Now at this point we can reach for our calculator. So it's 20,000 divided by 1.9, and that gives us this rather bizarrely strange number here, 10526.315. I'm not going to write all that. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the ENG button, and that puts it into scientific notation. 10.52 something times 10 to the power of 3. 10.5 times 10 to the power of 3 seconds. Very useful button. Remember, we have it. We don't write down all that nonsense that we had previously. You press it again, it gives you in other strange forms, but we just do it once, get a sensible number. 10.5 times 10 to the power of 3 seconds. That's our final answer. Cheers.